Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike.
I'm Tanya.
I'm Braxton.
I'm Mama.
I'm Rosa.
I'm Brendan.
I'm Mama.
We got most of the Fowlers here with us today. So we're at Fort Walton Beach. Actually, we're actually in Destin right now. We're about to go do a deep sea fishing or offshore fishing. We're going to be on the Blue Runner 2.
Catch, clean, and cook.
Yep. I think this is going to be a catch, clean, and cook. Hopefully, we'll see. We better catch something. Okay, we're about to go deep sea fishing. So we stopped at this Alvin's Island Tropical Department Store is what it's called here in Fort Walton. We're going to go in here and see if we can find any like cheap little clothing for this fishing trip we're going to do.
Because what I got is his, so it's too big. So I'm going to get some.
I have fishing shirts, and that's what I'm going to wear. They're going to look for other stuff over here. We're going to bring you guys along. So Tanya wants one of these shirts. It's kind of like that spandex material, sort of.
Sorry. I don't like the back of it though. It's got a turtle on it. I don't want a turtle. I know who would buy a turtle though.
Braxton.
No, another channel.
Who?
Houston. Isn't he into turtles right now or something?
Oh yeah. Yeah, Houston is into turtles.
Oh, this yellow one.
You having fun, Rai?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
What'd Daddy get you?
What'd you get?
Hat and a shirt.
A hat and a shirt. Yep. Are you gonna look cute in it?
Yellow. Pink yellow.
Pink
and yellow.
Yep. Are you gonna look cute?
You got a hat for Braxton and a hat for Mike. I need a hat too, don't I? I'll do this one.
Mama.
And a hat for me.
Mama.
All right, let's do this. Let's go fishing.
All right.
We gotta wait for Dada?
You look cute. You look cute. Awesome.
This one I like red.
I like it.
So you got you the fishing pole. Did Dada get you the fishing pole?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look so cute. Oh, behind your ears. And on your wrist. I need some too. Okay, so me and Rosa, just in case we don't want to be sick, so we got this stuff, Motion Ease, and we get it from Walmart. And every time we go on a cruise, we use it. So we were thinking about using it on our fishing trip today. The boats are a little smaller, so put it on your wrists, and then behind your ears. And sometimes I put it right there so I can smell it.
Should I put them on right now?
Yeah, I mean it's just do a small little area on her, so just in case she's allergic to the oil. Okay. All right, so I'm going.
Come on, Rai, we're in a hurry. We got fishes to catch. Fishes. All right, we're off.
let that.
She didn't realize that that's what would have happened. That's funny. Oops, Brendan. There goes all the string. She pushed a button, it hit the water and took off.
So we just crossed under the bridge. So is this still the bay? Considered the bay?
Consider the channel right here.
Channel? Okay.
That's the bay. That's Chockahatchee Bay.
Chockahatchee Bay? Yeah.
Really in the channel to the Gulf.
Alright, so this, what we're in now is the channel to the Gulf.
Right. See, as soon as you hit those rocks out there, you're in the Gulf of Mexico.
Okay. So we're going to look for dolphins. There's a chance we could see a dolphin right here. I got a little sick earlier.
Yeah, you look a little pale there, buddy.
It's the first time I've ever been seasick.
Dad looks pale.
We're good. All right, I guess you get to do that.
No, I'm still fishing.
Oh, okay.
Turn it off?
No, it's still going.
Oh, I'm sorry. You got me?
Is he yelling at us?
Go ahead. Which button am I pushing? Which button do I push, Mike?
It's going.
It's on video?
Yeah, it's video.
Oh, I got you. Okay, beautiful.
I got 3 already.
Okay, let's let them go.
All right.
Fantastic.
Rod, sit down.
Huh? Down?
Rod, sit down.
Okay.
There you go.
fun. You know. Are you really sick? Really?
No, she's faking.
That would hurt probably.
All right, did you get sick?
No.
You did good, huh? Me and Nana and you did good, huh? Yeah. Braxton didn't get sick, did he?
No.
No. Brendan got a little queasy.
Not too bad.
Brennan,
What's up?
what are you doing?
Cooking. Fish.
Looks like you're on your phone.
Learning how to cook.
So Brennan's about to start cooking the fish that they caught the other day. All right, this is what Brennan's going to use to season the fish. Butter, sea salt, parsley, oregano, bay leaves, and adobo. Koya adobo. Okay, y'all, it's the day after our fishing trip, and Brendan's in here cooking the fish we caught. Actually, it's the fish they caught, because I got sick. Never been sick before on a boat or airplane or anything. And then one time we go as a family, I was the one that got sick. I don't know where that came from. I don't like roller coasters, but I've never been sick. Seasick, never been sick on that stuff. I love doing that stuff, but it got me. So anyway, Brendan's cooking it up. We're gonna have a quick dinner. We'll just see how it goes. I want to take some of this fish home and do an actual cooking video on that as well. I wish there was smell-o-vision. Yeah, Braxton, I think Brendan's gonna take your spot on the cooking series on the Fowler family farm.
Okay, we'll see what they say about that.
Okay, Brendan, you cooked it. You get the first taste test. Taste it up. And
Even
see how
before
it's
it's all done? Or before it's all done?
Yep, taste it and let's see what you think.
Still kind of hot. I love it.
It's good.
Probably because I cooked it, but
Probably because you cooked it. All right, Rosa, come here. He's biased. Let's get Rosa's opinion.
it actually tastes good though, I'm not gonna lie. I said it actually tastes good though.
Come on, Rosa, right here.
It's good.
Tastes good?
Good.
You like it?
Did you get used to it?
You want more lime?
A little bit. I like tangy.
She taking a shower?
Bite number 2. She must like it.
That's good.
All right, Brax, come on, your turn.
Why do you look like that?
It's okay to like it. Trust me.
It's your turn.
I already know I'm gonna like it. I love fish. Yeah.
It tastes good?
Yeah. Your mom will like this.
Really?
Yep.
I wonder if the lime makes it better.
Yeah, it's already got lime all over it.
On this one?
Yep. On all of it. Let me see one of the limes.
The lime is better.
What do you think?
Oh, wow, it's very soft. Wow, that's good.
And Tanya don't like fish.
I hate this.
Pretty darn good?
No, it's good.
That's good, isn't it?
It reminds me of orange roughy. That texture. That's why I like orange roughy. Okay, I can't take any more. That's pretty good.
You can't more? You can't eat more? Why?
All right, y'all, we're on our last day here at the beach. We've actually decided for half of the day to come down to Destin, to just a public beach. What? A family farm, yep. This is pretty nice. Let me turn it around. There's Miss Rai Rai laying in the sand. There's Brennan thinking he's gonna go catch something. I'm gonna take you guys closer to the actual water. I mean, look how clear the water is finally. This is what it's supposed to look like anyway. Our first few days, the water was not this pretty because of all the storm. But it's back to being nice, pretty water. Oh, you found a shell.
Yeah, Freddy.
Here, hold it this way. No, over your hand, let's see it. Nice. Good job, Rai Rai. It's purple.
I want to go to Nana.
Yeah, baby.
Nana.
What you got?